welcome all of you on behalf of IAM and on behalf of the Future Chef Goa team. We have really worked very hard for this year. As Alina was mentioned, this is our 5th year and been very successful in terms of this particular contest in Goa, which have been very proactively supported by the hospitality industry. And almost all the 5-star hotels of Goa have come forward in some way or the other to support this contest, which is really remarkable. Also, we had sponsors from TGBC, Goa Food Development Corporation, and other bodies who also come and support it. So the concept of the Future Chef started 5 years back, and we really wanted to create the core of the Goan youth in the culinary arts. It's not about just cooking the Goan food, it's about cooking the global food. So a lot of students who have participated this year have cooked different kinds of food and they have done an amazing job. In fact, at their age, some of the judges told that they could really imagine cooking that kind of food. So well done. Another reason which we feel in the entire country is that people of this generation, what we call the smart generation, they should know cooking as one of the life skills. Just like we know swimming, we know driving, it's one of the life skills in order to exist in the world. Because these kids will be working all over the world and they have to cook for themselves. Fortunately in Goa, what I've seen, that the children are much better than other parts of the world, other parts of India, in the cooking skills. However, there are many people who have cooked for the first time. So we want to inculcate this culture of cooking being a life skill to all the students of class 11 and 12. So that when they grow up and they live and they stay and they work anywhere in the world, there is no problem about the food. They don't need to buy the food from KFC and McDonald's anymore in their life. So that was one of the essence of this Future Chef competition. The other thing is that we also got this kind of response where we have unearthed many students who have done well in this competition and then they have selected culinary or hospitality as their career. It's very important because hospitality and tourism is one of the biggest big career in the world now. In India, I think after IT has really now taken the back seat, engineering graduates have no jobs, as you all know. So it is really the hospitality sector and the media sector which are actually have got so many opportunities, so many jobs, and not just in India, all over the world. And there's a big demand for people who are from the hospitality industry. So this kind of competition also encourages the student to know more about hospitality, come to hotel school like IAM Hotel School in Goa. We have got about 12 campuses in our group all over India and in Thailand. So they can really explore the world of hospitality. They can get themselves admitted and enrolled in a course in hospitality, maybe a 3-year program or a 1-year program. And they can actually become very successful instead of really blindly running for that traditional engineering or medical courses, which are absolutely now at this point of time, medical takes a lot of time, it's great career, but engineering absolutely nothing doing. ITS not doing well. So I think this is a best 10 years, as we say that the next 10 years in Indian hospitality industry is a golden era. And those who will be joining the industry at this time would be really reaping the benefit. So this kind of competition is also very important to bring these young students to see the career as a professional career opportunity, not just to come and cook for an amateur thing and win a prize or don't win a prize, but they can actually become a professional chef. They can really earn in lakhs and lakhs of rupees per month and per day, in fact, for the TV shoots. They can become hospitality general managers. There's so much of opportunities in this world, in this sector. So this has really served the purpose for us to spread the awareness of the hospitality as a great career. So it's very simple actually. So if you are a people person, if you are a person, somebody who loves to talk, loves to smile, loves to make people happy, and loves a little bit to cook, you can be an hospitality graduate and you can really become very successful. And I think in Goa, this is a very natural tendency for the people of Goa. They are very warm, they are very friendly, they are very hospitable, they are very good in cooking. So, so this industry is very, very, apt for the people of Goa. So I think the Future Chef Goa is one of those events which can become even much bigger now. From next year, we have got a very ambitious plan to make it very, very big and to make it even more students. We're looking at around 4,000 or 5,000 participants next year. And I'm sure that that's very much doable and reachable. So once again, I'd like to congratulate all the winners. You have seen it all in the TV. We all know who the winners are. But this is a great occasion to really interact with all of you, to see the winner again. And the winners themselves can really become friends for life and to create a kind of a community of the future chef. So big thanks for the parents who are here, to the schools, the principals and the teachers, because without your support this would not have been possible. And we'll go forward to take this event even at a higher heights. So with that, I'd like to once again congratulate all the winners, all the participants, all the schools, and a very big thank you to the hospitality industry, the hotels in Goa, who have really been fantastic in supporting this event, this great initiative from IAM. So thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, and we take this forward to the next level, and we need all your support, all your blessings.
Today is the culmination of the last 5 months of hustle bustle which has been going on with this competition that started right from September. Until the last month, there was always a butterfly in the stomach, who's the final winner. So I guess beyond the competition, IAM Goa Future Chef has helped to unite the youngsters of the schools. There is now a common platform over which these 800 kids have been brought together. So as we had seen in the video earlier, I think all of us will agree food is a great unifying factor. In a place where there are so many differential issues, I think this is one great thing that bonds us together. It is not only within the country, but all over the world, this is one great unifying factor. And through IAM, we have tried to present this common platform in Goa to the youngsters of tomorrow. It was, see, the competition's aim was to, of course, finally to get the best chef. But beyond that, I think there was a bigger achievement in bringing such young minds together, helping them to find their true calling, and definitely, as Dr. Bose was saying, creating an awareness about not culinary as a profession, but a life skill. To survive, we all need to eat, right? So this is one of the very, very basic skills which is required to exist. And I think IAM Goa has done a great job in creating this awareness amongst the youngsters. And over the last 5 years, this competition has grown from strength to strength. And hope in future years we'll see much bigger participation and definitely better quality every year. And to the contestants, all of you are winners here. I'm sure you have heard this phrase before also. But truly speaking, it is not who gets that 1 lakh check which is maybe important for today, but what is going to happen tomorrow. In a competition, you see, it can be a good day for somebody or a bad day for somebody. But what matters is what you do over a period of time. That you came so far, and competed with some of the best products in Goa. That itself is a great achievement, and I think all of you deserve to be congratulated because of that. Hats off to you parents who have supported your children to come this far, as well as the principals and the teachers who have encouraged these students amongst all the academic activities to take out a little part and come and participate in IEM Goa Future Chef. Thank you very much, and my best wishes to all of you.
Now we'll be starting with the awards of the Best Starter and Best Dessert. Anisha Borkar, she has been awarded the Best Dessert. Let me have a big round of applause. It must be a pride moment for Anisha Borkar. From all the 800 coming up to the top 200 and then top 10, 20, 10 and then finally winning the Best Dessert Award. Ujjwala Ramesh Pavaskar from Father Basilio Andrade Higher Secondary. Can I call upon the principal? Anisha Borkar has been awarded a 5,000 rupees check for the Best Starter. Best Starter, Ms. Ujjwala. She also has been awarded a 5,000 rupees cash prize for winning the Best Starter Award. Now it is going to be the felicitation of the top 10 contestants who have come across from the 800 to the 200 and then 20 and grabbed the first 10 top finalists. It's time for you all to be awarded. Much awaited award. We've been waiting to see what it is. So can I call upon Mr. Deepak Patel from Father Basilio Andrade. From Rosary Higher Secondary. Mr. Vedan Kamath also has been awarded a cash prize. Next, I would like to call upon Mr. Edison Rodriguez from Rosary Higher Secondary School once again. I would like to call upon Ms. Shreya Kerkar from Higher Secondary School. I would also like to call upon the teacher who have associated, given her the guidance to push the candidate for so long. I would like to ask Madam Chetan to share a few words.
It's been I said earlier, it's been 5 years that I've been coming here. I think some of you are perhaps not here for 5 years. That's how many years I've been coming, and I've been very lucky because the first time we came here, my student won. She was a Goa future chef, and I think months before another finalist, and this is Shreya for the third time. It's been a wonderful experience. My students love it, and the very fact that they do well, it encourages so many others in participating. We come from a very rural, we cater to a lot of rural students. For many of them, it's a dream come true, and this entire experience that you set for them is really, really very nice. Keep up the good work.
Well, I would like to call upon Ms. Shreya Akhalia from Kendriya Vidyalaya. Till we have the top ones. I would like to call upon Ms. Ujjwala Ramesh Pavaskar. Ms. Anisha Borkar.
Well, it's very nice to be here because in last 5 years we are participating. Thrice we came here. I'm coming for the first time. But what I observe among the students is lot of enthusiasm, though I'm also from the rural area. Being a rural area, it was not a idiot like it was before, but students are very much enthusiastic. They want to come and participate. And I'm sure in the coming years will definitely win. Thank you.
Casta Pereira, the second runner-up of Goa Future Chef 2017. Can we have a round of applause for Casta Pereira? Can I have Miss Casta Pereira on the stage, please? A round of applause.
First of all, I would like to thank the IIM people for this amazing event. Thank you so much for encouraging students by organizing such competitions. And I would also like to thank my school for supporting me and my parents too. Thank you.
The next candidate, that is Antonio Felix Fernandez from Kesha Smriti. I would like to call upon Ms. Priya Singh from Father Basilio Anurad High Secondary. Well, now I like to call upon all the contestants along with their principals to come for a group photograph, please. Now we go upon the first runner-up. The first runner-up is Antonio Felix Fernandez from Kesha Smriti. Has already been announced in the media, but still the felicitations for the winner. So now I call upon Ms. Priya Singh, who has won the Goa Future Chef 2017 of IIM Goa. Many congratulations to Ms. Priya Singh. for this tremendous effort and striking from the top 800 candidates and getting the first prize. She also has been awarded a cash prize of 1 lakh rupees. So many congratulations to Priya Singh.
I am institute and of course my college and my teachers who have supported me to do this, and my parents are sitting next to me. They are always there for me.
Can we have the parents on the stage, please?
Yeah, my brother and of course my small sister.
We can have a big cheese moment, candidates. A big cheese moment.
I thank to IIM team because they provided opportunities to each and everyone to show their talents over here. I continuously participated 2 years to get that first trophy. But unfortunately I am second. But never mind. As sir said, everyone is a champion. We are the champion. Today I am here just because of my dad. Because he is a cook. Every time he used to cut fruits, vegetables, and he used to cook at home. I used to see him. I used to see his skills, and I learned. Even on the street side, the people who cook in a fast food, I always used to see them. I was always used to learn from that, and today I am just because of that. I prepare the food from my heart. That's the thing. Today I am here. Even I would thank my school teachers and a respected principal. Unfortunately, they are not present here, but I am thanking them because they encouraged me at that time when I participated. They said, Alex, you can do, you can win and come over here. That encouragement motivated me very strongly, and today I am a first runner-up here. Thank you so much.
Hi, my name is Juvala Pavaskar. I am from Father Basilio Andrade Memorial Higher Secondary School. I like to thank IMA College for giving me this opportunity to participate in this competition, and getting a Best Starter award is a great thing for me. I have participated in this competition last year also, but I have not been this competition. But due to hard work and great efforts of my parents, teachers and principal, I have come here. I like to thank my parents for supporting me and giving me this opportunity to participate in every competition, not only in cooking, in each and every competition I like to participate. I like to thank my teachers for taking me in every competition and giving me opportunity to show my talents. I like to thank my principal from Father Basilio Andrade Memorial Higher Secondary School. She is very encouraging and very hardworking.
My name is Anisha Ajitborkar. I am from ABPM Sai Secondary School, Wazangal. I have got this award for Best Result Award. I am very happy. I would like to thank my IM College, my principal who have always, and my parents who have always supported me and encouraged me to reach here. Thank you.
My name is Kester Benedict Pereira and I'm from Divya High Secondary School, Vasco. Well, I'm present here as the second runner-up at the IAM campus, and it gives me a great opportunity to be here, and I feel honored and privileged to be. So, firstly, I was selected from the school with the top 24 among all the students, and then we had the top 20 round, and then now I was selected with the top 10, and I'm really glad to be here. That's why.
It is a very proud moment for us to host this event, and actually the grand finale culminates over here, and we look forward to start with a new session again this year, the year 2018-19 Future Chef. Again, the hunt will be on, and I would like to thank everyone to make this event successful, being a part of it and participating in it so wholeheartedly. You have taken trouble to travel all the distance from your places and encouraging your students, your wards to come and participate in it and make this a successful event.